Look at this. Look at this slide. We started in Leap 22 a movement. We grew by 100%, and we continued with momentum. And guess what? We have become the largest, the fastest, and the highest success tech story of the 21st century. And within this momentum, we have made more major announcements. But guess what? In these announcements, you're not going to hear it from me. You're actually, in a true Leap fashion, hear it from the global chairmen and CEOs. Play the video.
Really, quite honestly, I walk away from here inspired by the change I have seen in the last 6 years. Because you are not just talking the talk, but you're walking the walk in a major, major way. And I think that this beacon, you will be the beacon of what I think is a new development model, how not only in the region, but for the world over. So I'm really excited about it. A region coming to the kingdom, we are very excited about it. This is going to, yeah. We are very excited about this. We're going to bring the best technology with multiple availability zones to cover the kingdom. We think that this will not only have the raw infrastructure, but it'll also have the best AI infrastructure.
So our developer academies teach students the fundamentals of coding, as well as other necessary skills to find and create jobs in the app economy. There are 17 around the world, and in Saudi Arabia, we launched our first developer academy for women in February.
It is such a dynamic kingdom. Over my last few years, I've observed the dynamic nature of the business, the dynamic nature of the economy, the social progress, all in. I think it's a wonderful time to be here in the kingdom.
You know, we're excited. Next month at the LEAP conference, we'll be making some major announcements about our expansion in the kingdom with manufacturing and supporting the development of the talent base, and certainly, you know, everything in support of Vision 2030.
Our cloud region and our data center is now officially live. Congratulations.
This is indeed our commitment to you. In every year, we're going to come back and demonstrate to you how we're walking the talk, and we're going to have the global chairmen and CEO on the stage, not only through video, but shortly physically making these announcements and demonstrating how we are changing a kingdom, a region, and the world powered by you, talent and technology.